Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, June 29th, and this is the introductory video for learning module number 2, which starts today, as well as for week 3 of the class, which also starts today. In this video, I'd like to draw your attention to some of the key points and key issues for the second learning module, as well as tell you a little bit more about the assignments for this week and how this week and the next week will be structured assignment-wise. The first thing that I'd like you to do after watching this video is to click on the learning module number 2 link in the learning modules section and read through all the pages there very carefully, beginning with the learning questions, issues, and outcomes, and then moving on through the readings and the due dates and the deliverable. And even though we will not start the deliverable, which is an analysis of a public sphere space online, until next week, it might be useful for you to read the general description of that project early on in the unit, so you know where this week's assignments will lead you eventually. This week we're working on chapters from Wernick's book Rhetoric Online, chapters 2, 3, and 4. And the assignments for each chapter can be found in the calendar, as usual, in the website. And as always, they're due by midnight on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. The ultimate purpose of the second learning unit, second learning module, is to apply some of the knowledge that we have by now about the public sphere in general and about public sphere online to real-life public sphere situations as they play out online. And so the reading assignments from Wernick's book will be geared towards getting us ready for an analysis of the public sphere space online, which, as I said before, will be the focus of the essay, the deliverable for this learning module. The second learning module, which starts today, is sort of front-loaded with readings and back-loaded with writing a little bit more. The way it's done, the way we're going to do it this week is we're going to read some chapters and we're going to post some reading responses in the blog, and then hopefully by the end of this week we'll be ready to begin the essay project, because we will have enough knowledge and understanding of how public sphere works online. That said, this does not mean that you will not be allowed or encouraged to come back to Wernick's book as you write the essay during the second week of the of this learning module. But first things first, let's begin this week by reading some chapters from that book and by responding to them and thinking about them. I want to say a couple of things about the nature of the reading assignments this week. The chapters in Wernick's book are fairly short. They're not the longest things you will ever find. However, they're very dense in a good way. She uses a lot of external sources, she uses a lot of theoretical material, so don't let the relatively short length of these chapters deceive you into thinking that you can go through them quickly, and spend enough time on each of the chapters. Give yourself enough time to read them 2, 3, 4 times if necessary. I'm on my 4th reading of this book right now, and I am still finding new things to think about, new issues to ponder, new examples that she gives that I missed during my first readings, and so on and so forth. So please give yourselves enough time to work with these readings and to prepare reading responses to them. Again, this working with this book now during the first week will allow you to write the essay, the analysis essay next week a little bit more easily, and you will just learn more about public sphere online by really carefully studying the chapters in Wernick's book. The final couple of things I want to say in this video is to remind you about the need to read each other's blog posts and post written comments to them. Make this a habit when you log on. First thing you do is read other people's posts that have appeared on the website since your last visit. And don't forget that one of your participation assignments is to post excuse me, 2 or 3 substantial comments on other people's posts per week. So please do not neglect that aspect of the class either. Finally, You know by now that I've graded your term glossaries, and I've put some written comments in your wikis, so please go there and read them very carefully after seeing your grades. I'd like those comments to still be useful for you in a way that would allow you to write better essays at the end of the second learning unit. They're not meant to be punitive, they're meant to be still guidance for further thinking about the public sphere and what it means and what it involves. So if you have any questions about it, about my comments, please do let me know. I will be happy to expand on them. The way I saw it, the main questions that I had in relation to the glossary project were the sort of what I thought in times was the insufficient understanding of a target audience, where you would address somebody who might have read Habermas, might have read the same literature you have read, instead of explaining in detail what the things that you're talking about actually meant. But again, look at my comments and see if you have any questions about any of them. The second learning module, which starts today, will be a very interesting learning module. I hope you will find that Wernicke's book is really rich in detail, rich in argument, rich in thought-provoking material. And I look forward to working with you on that book, as well as on the essay project next week. So thank you very much. Have a great day. Have a great week. Have a great learning module, if I may say so. And as always, if you have any questions, please let me know right away by posting them on the class forum. Thank you very much and goodbye.